Oh my god, look at this. Look at what I made. I made this on my very own. I hate glue guns, but look, it's pom-poms. I figured surely, look, it's drunk. It's because I made it. They're kind of pom-poms to begin with. Isn't this cute? And I put a little bow on it. I was gonna do googly eyes. Hold on, I know this is, see, these are my googly eyes, but they're, oh, fart knocker. Oh, man down. Oh, and I'm gonna do a black one too. There's a baby in my life that loves boss sheep. So I'm way early as always, but that's because I celebrate every design. And you're probably like, I could do better than that. Well, no kidding. I'm terrible with a glue gun. Look, pom pom, 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 pom pom. There. What is that? 1, 2, wait a minute, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pom. I tried everything I had, and yes, some stuff does fit on the face, but I didn't like it. So I like this more simple style better. There you go. I've done one better. So I have the baby sheep, and at first I was going to do a mama sheep, but then I remembered, oh, this one's drunk too. That the baby, her favorite person in the world is her daddy. So, oh, so I made a daddy. Those aren't supposed to be ears. Those are ram horns, those curly ones. You can tell they're related because the green bows, but they're different green bows because that's a little girl, that's a big, strong boy. I need to ask you a favor. Social media allows you and others to see our content if you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Otherwise, it just gets ignored. So I heartfeltly thank you.